Behind me, Niagara Falls, where 2 million
pounds of copper and 300,000 rivets hold together this.
Our Congress, which is met here.
There are a lot of interesting things to see in this country.
On your right, you'll see the marriage of the body and the chassis.
Who would have ever thought a car factory would be one of them?
Over to the left, dashboard assembly.
All we know is the more people learned about Saturn, the more they wanted to come and visit us.
Our polymer panels bend and flex.
So each week we show folks around the place.
You can stop on us all day.
Pointing out crowd pleasers like lost phone casting and seat installation.
Go ahead, get right in there. Note that we've added skylights here to add to the cafeteria setting.
Now, we're flattered by all the attention. We're just a little baffled by it. I mean, we are just making cars, right?
Next stop, Saturn Gift Shop. Now, if you look over here.